the client came to us with a specific requirement. We wanted a house that was structurally unique. It should stand out, and he wanted a bright house, full of the calmness and peaceful ambience. When we visited the site, it was a typical neighborhood. All the typical houses. There was a mosque nearby, and we wanted to introduce something unique. It was a linear site, so we knew that what we wanted, and we wanted a bright, big structure. That was entirely different. And want something to play with the form. Have fun with it. So that's how we came up with this stadium kind of structure, and it's a stadium. Stadium means rectangles with curved edges. Well, we play video games basically. Like the form of the house came with the old game, a classic game, Tetris. It's a block game, and it has the shape like stadium blocks. So that's how the massing came up of the house.
The house of Ayoob is actually located in Taliparamba. It's actually a major town in Kannur district in northern Kerala. And this is a municipal area, and our site is located almost 2 kilometers away from the town center. And the area is kind of a residential neighborhood.
We have to design the residence for a family of 5 members, and Ayoob is an NRI, and they need a house consisting of 4 bedrooms. The bedrooms usually should have large area, and also they need large spaces like the living, dining. The plot area is almost 13 cent, and the house area is consist of almost 4,600 square feet. So we need to accommodate this area in this 13 cent plot. The plot is facing to the southern side. We gave maximum space in the front yard.
Now coming to the plan, this is the basic outline of the house. We kind of segregate into 3 parts. So here we place the car porch, and here we made the sit out, and here is a common living dining space. Even though it's a small site, they wanted, when someone get inside the house, they wanted to feel it somewhat like a large space. And in this plan, we introduced a lot of focal points in the house. First thing was the stair. We wanted to have a entirely different thing, because usually the stair they kind of use it just for vertical circulation, but we wanted to have like a sculpture, a standalone piece. Like when someone enters, the first thing they have to see should be this stairs, like very unique one. We have given 3 double heights. So these double heights kind of give the 2 floors a visual connectivity between the ground floor and the first floor. And also we get a larger facade for placing windows. The entire double height facade we have treated with windows. We get more cross ventilation, more light. While I'm here in the first floor landing, you can see how massive this double height space is and how it connects both floors. And you can also see that this double height kind of gives a very much spatial importance to these stairs, a stair like this. And you can see all these 3 important double height spaces with huge windows in the southern side and the western side, which make this house well lit. The color of the house goes very well with all the lights coming in and during the morning and the evening hours of the day. So we want the house with the massing which is almost vertical, So we took 3 stadium blocks. Initially we worked on different we placed in a lot of different manners. We finally finalized this massing. It's kind of unique in a way that if we think about the neighboring thing, it kind of stood out, even the proportions and the scale, the difference in the height. It was pleasing for 3 of us, so we kind of finalized on it. Because of the shape of the structure, we had to face a lot of challenges and hurdles during the construction. That was we had to be here on the site. One of us has to be here during most of the concreting work. We have to be very precise on how they are placing all the CNC cuts for the curved parts. Or when later on, you'll see a lot of minor detailings are there. on that this curved facade. So that was challenging, but it was fun. We got a first-hand experience, or we learned a lot of things